Today, we are scheduled to file our pre-trial brief. As previously announced, today is the deadline for the filing of this pleading, no? And for the understanding of our beloved countrymen, ano po ba ang kahalagahan nitong pre-trial brief? Number one, it contains stipulations of facts which will be presented for the other parties either admission or denial, no? With this, nababawasan po yung pagtatalunan ng dalawang kampo during the trial. If they admit our offer for stipulation, it means it need not be proved. But if they deny our offer for stipulation, then it means it has to be proven during the presentation of evidence. Second, part of the pre-trial brief, we will be submitting as well the list of our witnesses, no? So, I wish to advance information, bagaman I cannot provide details yet because we continue to finalize the pre-trial brief, perhaps until the time of filing today. It is more than 25. The witnesses is not only 25, it's not only 30, it's even more. As to the exact figure and who these witnesses are, let's wait until the pre-trial brief is filed with the impeachment court today, no? And then for the last item, that will be the evidence to be marked, madami, super dami. Because you know that there are two articles na talagang voluminous ang ating exhibits. That includes the allegations on confidential fund and the allegations on unexplained wealth.